Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop. Today, let's talk about articulation of the foot when you're doing things like the marching exercise or jumping on the jump board or jumps, the standing exercise. So maybe there's other exercises too, but these are the ones where I see a lot of people landing flat foot. And what do I mean by that? Let me tip this down so you can see my feet and put on some great Pilates style here. And what I mean is that as a person lifts their leg up, I often see lift, step, lift, flat foot up, flat foot down. And what I'd love to see is that you lift your heel and press into the ball of your foot. You lift the ball of your foot by pressing into the ball of your toes. Then you lift up, and then it's the ball of your toe, ball of your foot, then your heel. So we say heel, ball, toe, ball, heel. Heel, ball, toe, ball, heel. And let me lift this leg up. And then the marching, if we were doing standing marching, is heel, ball, toe, ball, heel. Heel, ball, toe, ball, heel. And even when it's fast, it's that articulation. And so I'm rolling through my foot as opposed to stamping my feet. Now, stamping feet has become a really common thing as people wear flip-flops and slides, and yes, even blessed Birkenstocks that don't have backs are slides. And that makes your foot grip, your ankle grip, and you hold on to your shoe and stomp walk. And so with that, that reverberates from your feet through your ankle, through your knee, hip, and low back. This is a bad syndrome. It creates poor biomechanics, which ultimately can lead to osteoarthritis, and then that leads to bigger and bigger issues of pain and lack of mobility. So you could practice sitting, press into the ball of your foot, lift your heel. Press into the balls of your toes, lift your ball of your foot up, then lift your toe up. And I'll even go here. Toe, ball, heel. Ball, toe, up, toe, ball, heel. Lift your heel, lift the ball of your foot, lift up, put into the ball, ball, heel. So articulate through your feet. You could practice it sitting, and then you want to ultimately get it standing. And that you could keep marching your feet with an articulation. Now, another great place to practice this is on the jump board. Let me move this around a little bit and see if we can get a good view of the jump board and check this out. So I've got myself on 2 strong springs. This is a classical apparatus, so it's all the same springs. And I press out, and ultimately, through many different things that I play with, I have my clients, including my favorite client, myself, press into your heels, press into the ball of your foot, then the ball of your toes, then ball, then heel, then bend. Heel down, heel up, press into the ball of the foot. Ball of the foot up, press into your toes, then ball of your foot, heel, and bend. And so it goes faster, and then eventually becomes an articulated jump, and jump with the same articulation. So that it's a constant articulation through the foot and something strong to practice. So we've got that in marching, we've got that in the jump board, we've got that in the standing exercise, the jumps. And again, you could practice it while sitting down on one leg at a time, then practice it standing, and then see if you could play with that genuine articulation through your foot and your ankle in a way that's going to be really powerful for the power of your whole leg and the health of your whole body just by articulating your feet. All right, if you've got questions, please reach out to me. I'm happy to answer them.